OMG Nation, I started to grab my Harley. I stepped outside, came to the garage, and now it's raining. I'm not riding in the rain today. I just don't feel like getting soaking wet. I don't know. I have lots of stuff I could talk about. Maybe I should just do a Jaguar vlog. Just kidding, enough of that. How about today's episode is about my Rosa Swingarm bag. Seeing how it's raining, I moved today's episode to the car. So, let me tell you about my experience with Rosa. I kept looking at their bag thinking, man, I really want to order this Swingarm bag. I keep reading good things about the quality. I keep hearing good things about the quality. I ordered my bag. I'm going to show you this screenshot of what time it was, and it was on a holiday. So you see what time I ordered it. A few days go by, I get one email that says something along the lines of processing. So I thought, okay, you know, it's the holiday. Well, I wait a few more days. It still says processing. I called them and left them a message. I don't hear anything, no return phone call. So anytime I call a company or talk to a member of customer service, I always try to be extremely nice. I try not to be rude in any way, because I know people have to deal with that stuff on a regular basis, and I don't want to be that guy. So I call them, and I wish I could remember the guy's name. Normally I write down people's names as I'm talking to them, but for some reason I did not. So I told him what happened. I said, this is when I ordered it. This is when I made a phone call. It still says processing. No one's called me back. I said, so I just wanted to check on it. And the guy said, well, just like this is not an exaggeration, over the phone, well, we're busy. And I was like, I said, I'm sure you guys are. He goes, yeah, I mean, we'll get it to you, we're busy. And he said it again. I was like, oh, this guy. And at that moment, I was contemplating, all right, I'm just about to cancel this order because this customer service is so extremely rude from this dude. And he literally says, we'll get it to you. I mean, we're busy. We sell a lot of bags. We sell a lot of products. Again, I try to make light of it and say, yeah, you know, I know you guys, I'm sure you are. Do you have any idea maybe when it'll go out or anything like that? Try to give this guy an opportunity to see. I'm not trying to be combative. I don't want to argue with him. I just want a little information on a friggin' bag that I ordered. His next comment was, I mean, we'll just get it to you when we can. We got lots going on. We're selling. So I get off the phone with him and I sat there for a little bit and I go, all right, it took me a very long time to find the Swingarm bag that I thought that I was going to like. I finally ordered and I'm having this issue. The guy's customer service sucks. So I tell you what, I'm not gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna let the bag come. So a few more days go by and finally I get a notification saying that it's shipped. Well, I get the bag. First of all, they do not send me any plastic to go over the Swingarm, the little frame part. And The leather straps that they send me to strap around that are too long and don't have enough holes. So the bag is, look, like, see right here, the bag is sagging and hanging, and there's zero firmness to the bag. Just thoroughly disappointed in their product. Thoroughly, extremely disappointed in their customer service. If you ask me, would I ever order from those guys again, the answer is no. I would never, because their customer service is so terrible. I would never order from La Rosa again. That's me. Because my experience with their customer service was so bad, I will never order anything else from them.